Jamaica are the second China because half of the population down here are Chinese people are not take fake rice when they come here. Building for put up, uno get the contract. Highway for build, uno get the contract. Uno say uno want Goat Island, we say take it. Uno send fake rice come to Jamaica. Mr. Chin, me chip lick to bomb road a build up right now out of 6 miles out there so. And if you go out there and look on the flag them, read the flag them way out there. You're damn right. We can't read the flag them because our Chinese there in uno get the contract. Uno out there so I build up and I fix up things and uno send fake rice come to Jamaica. Mr. Chin, mind what you doing now, Mr. Chin? You might know karate, but maybe kicking at your butt.
Is your water fresh?
Is it tasteless?
Is it too transparent?
It's like, I can't even drink real water no more. Me remember when I little, sometimes I drink water, I thought it tastes like bread. It's like, I don't know what to do no more.
Anthony, as I said before...
Sir, this is not PR, sir. This is a informational commercial.
Oh, sorry.
Yes.
Before we move come in the house, water used to taste like ground provision, like hockey and them thing there. You see me, guava. You see me in a tree. Them ground provision thing there, brother. Why do you think we didn't use water so much? Cause it tastes like yam. I never have to buy yam for taste yam, man. Water was yam. Why do you think it full my belly so much?
Water nowadays is fresh. What do you mean drink some water and it all water down? How? Heh? Me like when I drink water, I feel like I catch a high blood pressure. I want to come and give me fresh water. Yo, I don't need that list. Nah, what going on? You tell my youth?
Tell niggas what, nigga? What the fuck, nigga? I ain't tell niggas nothing, nigga. I ain't no informer, nigga. You informer, nigga?
No, you inform with that, inform for dead, that you that one inform with.
Facts, nigga, facts. I ride for my homies, nigga.
Jeffrey!
No,
You go to my calm them,
Alright, nigga, make sure you don't fucking tell them nothing, nigga.
Zip like one of the young, see that?
I am constable, I don't give a fuck. You look thirsty, you want some water?
I'm good, I'm not thirsty.
Alright, let's get to this then. Who killed the man? So no, you can't talk. Okay. Don't talk. You see how you look like Tracy Chapman, you look dirty, natty them. You will know what to do with you in a prison.
No, you talk about it.
Kisko tell me say, are you killed the man? So, I deaf or me, I go crazy or something like, me I idiot.
I tell you say, Kisko can't tell you.
Kisko tell me say, are you killed the man?
Kisko kill the man. Say, Kisko, don't kill the man. Shoot him in the leg, not in the leg. Guess what Kisko do? Guess what he do? Shoot him in the blood.
Me have evidence if we put the two out in a
prison. I don't kill him, man. Kisko! Yo, talk Kisko, I'm going to kill my boy, I know. I'm going to kill my boy, I no time for the man. I got 25 guys.
Yo, what want me to you?
Shan.
What happened to Shan?
She dead.
What? How you know that?
Me text her about an hour ago and she no text back.
Susan, that don't mean she dead.
No, she better blood clot dead. Me can't text her an hour ago and you no respond. If she not dead, me go kill her blood clot.
No, she this just post on Instagram 5 minutes ago.
What? Let me see that. What are the blood clot this? No, I'm call the girl. Hello? No blood clots. Hello, me stinking dirty blood clot cranny body girl. Me text you about your post on Instagram. Remember who introduced you to Instagram, yeah? Remember who show you how to open my DMs, Remember who show you how to add filter to your dirty ugly picture, them? Remember who post you on Instagram and give you a shout out so you can get your followers. Bye, come off of my phone. That bright.
In Jamaica, we still have the beautiful sunshine, but you get cool no blouse or skirt. We don't have snow to make any snow angels, but what we do have is grass, and we make grass angels! Grass likes to go kill me to mama! Kill me to mama! Kill me to mama! Holy idiot.
Yo, with new girl like... Brother, that girl is bigger than a Fidel Castro funeral. Style thing. I'm see her girl, you don't know me like them small and thing. Yeah. Oh, you got this a magazine now, man? Dog, tell her what kind of girl me want, dog. Kind of girl.
Me want a fatty. We like chicken patty. Anytime she see me fridge, she say she not lucky. Me want a girl, we small and slim. If little breeze blow, she goodly move with the wind. Fatty, we like her banana chips. Anything she eat, go straight to her hips. Me want a girl, we maga like thread. Medieval feel her when she lie down on my bed. Me want a girl, we big like outside. When we go shopping, them can't find her size. I call her all in one, breast, belly and thighs. She get vexed when I say, babe, it's time to exercise. Me want a chick, we maga like stick. When her legs rub, fire start to hear chick, chick, chick.
Rice bag? Here, sir. Twangaroo? Here, sir. Shoe shine? There. Nerd on? Here, sir. Right now, we're going to do a short recap. Yo, I'm just about my cap. Can someone tell me what is the chemical formula for water? Sir, that's not stuff, yes, shoe shine. H-I-J-K-L-M-N-A-O. What are you talking about? Sir, last week I told me the chemical formula H2O. H-I-J-K-L-M-N-A-O. Twangaroo. How do you spell machine? M-A-S-H-E-E-N. Machine. So you can't tell me that wrong. You know why? You ask how me spell it, and that's how I spell it. I don't know how anybody else spell it, but that's how I spell it. Rice bag. Put the word battery in a sentence. Yesterday, my friend sent me a gun song to my phone. I never knew it would have killed my battery. Did you know the Earth is approximately 8.856 kilometers in diameters? Oh my God. Good morning, Trisha. Sit down, peasants. Last time I went to New York, it was a blast, you know. Just came in the class. Can you shut up? Hey, how much for the school? I might as well just buy the school and fire him.
You have an hour begin. Hour this? Him never teach with this. This to the pan syllabus? But the answer for number 3. Shh, no talking. You know what, I can't do this. I can't do this. I can't do this. Give me a next test, sir. Give me a next test. Patricia. Give me a next test. I can't do this. Give me a next test.
Patricia, relax,
give me a next test,
calm.
sir. I make a scam, sell my body, sell drugs, strip, something. Give me a next test, sir. I can't do this.
Patricia.
I can't do this. Give me a next test.
Patricia.
Give me a next test, sir. I
Calm
can't do
down.
this.
Come on.
Give me a next test.
Shanshan, come here. Who the blood clot that?
My friend Patricia.
Oh, your friend.
She a friend.
When Andre they give bun in your blood clot and cheap and broke your heart, who for sure like come cry upon fear or Femi? Oh no, that was Femi. Last night when they did at the party and the DJ said if you're not wearing nobody clothes, put your hand in the ear and you put your hand up in the ear. How for full suit of clothes they wear? Fear one already Femi. Oh no, that was Femi. This morning when you wake up and you never have no panty to put on, who for baggy you put on? Fear or Femi. So where the blood clot Patricia come from? Alright, I get the pints. What you want me to do? Tell her to go home. To leave. Pat. Bitch, you have to leave. Susan. Excuse me? Leave! Shanshan, me text her when we reach home. No, you won't. Shanshan, change your number. She go change her number.